Hello everyone and welcome to this Java tutorial. Today we will revisit if statements. Today's tutorial will be about else if statements. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to use else if and else statements. The program we will be able to make by the end of this tutorial will look something like this. The user will have to enter a number they want to convert. So let's say 2. They will have multiple options to choose from: inches to centimeters, feet to centimeters, and etc. Let's say I want to convert from yards to meters. I will enter 3 and click enter. The program will tell me that 2 yards equals 1.82 meters. Here I have created a new Eclipse program and done 3 things. First, I have imported the scanner class. Next, I have made a class and I have declared the main method. The first thing I will do is initialize the scanner object and make some variables. To initialize the scanner object, write scanner input equals new scanner parentheses system dot in semicolon. Next, I will make a double A semicolon int B semicolon and double C semicolon. Now we need to output a message asking the user for input. To do that, write system.out.println and in quotations write enter a number to convert. In the next line, write a equals input dot next double parentheses semicolon. This will give the user a text box to enter their number. Notice that I created a as a double because user can enter a decimal number. After they enter their number, we need to give the user options as to what they want to convert to. To do that, I will have some print statements. Now write b equals input dot next int parentheses semicolon. Notice that b is an integer because the user can only enter 1, 2, 3, or 4, and those are integers. Next, I will make if statements so we can decide what operation to do. The purpose of if statements is to make decisions as we go along the program. To do that, write if b is equal to 1, then we are converting from inches to centimeters. Then the value of c should equal to a multiplied by 2.54 semicolon. Now output the message to the user. Notice that C is also a double because multiplying by a decimal will also give me a decimal. Also using this variable so I can store the value of the answer before I output it. Now we need to account for all the other possible scenarios. To do that, write else if b equals to 2, then we want to convert from feet to centimeters. The conversion for feet to centimeters looks something like this. Here I have converted the value and I have outputted the value. We do the same thing for the rest of the scenarios. Write else if b equals 3. For number 3 we're converting from yards to meters and the conversion looks something like this. I've converted the value and I'm outputting the value. We have accounted for the values 1, 2, and 3. So the only other possible value is 4. To do that, we write else. We don't need to write else if because 4 is the only other possible options. For number 4, we're converting from miles to kilometers. The conversion looks like this, and here I'm outputting the value. Now let's save our program and run. In the console, we can see that it's asking us to enter a number to convert. So let's say I want to convert 4. It gives me options: inches to centimeters, feet to centimeters, etc. Let's say I want to convert from miles to kilometers. I enter 4 and hit enter. It will tell me 4 miles equals to 6.4 kilometers. So in summary, else if statements are used to account for multiple scenarios, and else statements can be used when there is only one possible output left. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and help me reach 100 subscribers on this channel. Also, don't forget to hit the like button as I want to reach 100 likes.